Hey loves, what's up? Well, I am here at the shipper still. Today is day 3 of the 21 days. I got here at like 9:45, 9:30, and it's now 2 o'clock Mississippi time. Still haven't gotten loaded or anything yet, and I am hungry. So let's cook. As you can see, I done stocked up my pantry thingy up here. I got a little bit of stuff. So I don't know Jamaicans, anywhere we go or anything we have, we make it work. And I have every little thing we need. Tomorrow, I'm gonna make some rice and peas. And nobody say nothing, cause guess what? I have my peas. Yeah. The only thing I might not have right now are some thyme and scallion and a little green pepper and